This is a very special gift. It's an important inheritance that we get from our parents. It's a part of blessing. It brings blessings, it brings success, it brings fertility. In our family, we don't have anyone who don't have children. So it's a special pot of blessings that brings success and fertility. That's what we believe. That's why we are struggling to keep the pot so it doesn't get broken. We've been hearing that my grandmom's great-grandmom, she's the one who made the pot, and she gave the pot to her daughter. That's my grandmom's grandmom, yeah. She gave it to her when she was going for marriage. So she used it all through her life. She gave it to her own daughter gave it to her own daughter. That's how it came to my grandmom. I just hope nothing happens to the pot, because presently we have war in my region, in my village, and we are just afraid that they can burn my grandmom's house, because she's no longer in her house. They are living in the bush, in the forest. So we are just hoping that nothing happens to the object so that we can still preserve it. We are hoping, like I was talking with my sister the other day, we are hoping that my mom should be the one my grandmom would choose to keep the pot. And then among us, we don't know who my mom would choose, to keep it, because it's a special blessing. When she cooks from the pot, everybody eats from it. Even the neighbors who come, even if it's to have just a taste from it, and people will be talking about it. Oh, we've eaten from the special pot. Yeah, it's like that. It's a good feeling.
This is with me like from when I start to play cricket in the childhood. Yes, so it's always with me, but in different shape. But yeah, it's always with me. Still here in Belgium, yes, it's with me, yeah. Cricket is a game is very important, but most important for me because my grandfather, he teach me very well how to play cricket, and the cricket also is show you the team spirit, how you play with the another people, with like family and like the friends, and you have to be like teamwork. So it's teach me too much things, yes. Yeah. I start when I am 6 years old. Yes. That time not too much facility, but my grandfather is a big fan of the cricket. So he always watch, and he watch in the TV, and after he tried to teach me, yeah. So it's like I don't think my life without cricket, because yeah, when I am old I don't know, but now yes, still can I play? I can play with cricket, yes. So it's a part of my life. I play here in Ieper, and I also give training in Ieper, sport on thal, yes. It's take a time to build this thing, but yeah, now finally we have good material, good place. So I hope we are going to play in Brussels. So it's very important for me to have this bat with me.
Deze Afghanistan ook gebruiken veel te veel voor water. Afghanistan soms provincies geen hebben elektriciteit en dan geen frigo en water met deze. En dan code. Meisjes of jongens gaan met zee en water met deze komen naar huis. En voor deze ook gebruiken.
C'est mon sport préféré. J'adore, je me sens moi-même. Je suis très contente. Dès que même je vois des enfants le font, ou bien je vois une compétition, je suis très contente. Je concentre sur ça, quoi. Beaucoup, beaucoup. J'adore. Tout a commencé à 2005, quand j'ai eu l'âge de 9 ans que j'ai commencé. Quand j'ai commencé ça, je ne sais pas c'est quoi la valeur de ça. Après, on est en train de apprendre tout ça là pendant jusqu'à, je fais 1 an et demi, j'ai passé mon bleu. On a commencé de faire le championnat, tout ça là, jusqu'à, je sens moi-même dedans, dès que je le fais, je me sens, je suis dedans, C'est pas quelqu'un qui m'a forcé, ni comment dire, de l'idée des gens ou bien non. C'est moi-même qui aime. Et si je suis dedans, je me sens très heureuse.
This is my fiancée. Yeah, this is my fiancée. She's in Germany, and we came from Serbia for painting. I think me and she and I can to paint. Yeah, this is hand of my fiancée. Yeah. This hand of my fiancée is in Serbia, and we have just a memory of Serbia. She's in Germany and I am here. We couldn't to stay together. I need to bring her to here, but I need now positive answer for bring her. But I don't know.
Moi, j'aime les musiques qui bougent, qui font danser et qui font oublier des souvenirs dans des mauvais instants. C'est dans ça que, dans mon enfance, on organisait parfois des petites fêtes entre amis dans les endroits n'importe où, puisque avec le balafon, on n'a pas besoin d'une salle, même en plein air, on peut commencer à taper tout le monde, commencer à sortir sa part de danse. Bon, c'est ce style de musique que moi j'aime. Pour moi, la musique, c'est un bon truc pour oublier. Pour oublier les problèmes, pour oublier tout, la musique, ça me libère. Pour moi, ça me libère. Bon, pour les autres, je ne sais pas.
That's women maybe a gift for hope. If you women's, that's how can you make what you wanna do. Before women maybe it's difficult. Women maybe you have women star. It's difficult before, not like now. Right now, yes. Now maybe it's women is. Can you do what you want to do? Maybe you have many women's, you have top. It's difficult. That's time when you begin in the first women. When you see women, like respect for feeling like mother, the same sister. Or like, because never ever to all my life I live with familia. Because all my life when I was small and big, live with people like all the men. But never I no feel touch with mother and female. Yeah.